Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to manage store email on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us. In the top left corner, we have your websites where we have all of the websites. We have the setup and home. We have the settings. In the bottom left corner, we have the design site and also have it in the top right corner. And also we have the dashboard where we are now at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and manage store email on Wix. So settings, which email are automatically sent to customers from the e-commerce settings. You can see the email sent to your customers to inform them about their order. Customizing email text, you can customize the text of following emails to include your own messages written in a way that suits your business. Viewing examples of email notifications and troubleshooting email issues. Of course, Wix store request, you can send store owner notifications emails to multiple email addresses, Wix store requests. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.